Even. Congrats to Even. Dude, this sounds so good. It sounds so good. I love that it has a little bit of hollowness to it. It adds character. The backspace? No, it's actually not hollow. It's not hollow. It's fine. Let's do another 30 seconds because it sounds so crispy. It sounds very, very crispy. I like it. Yeah, there is a little bit of resonance. A little bit on the spacebar area, but I think it is fine. It is very good, though. I have to say, it sounds very, very good. I like that it has a little bit of character to it. It's pretty nice. The typing on it is very fun, to be honest. I have to say it's very fun. It's soft. It's not too bouncy and flexy, but it is soft in a way. And I really, really like how this is, you know. The alphas are nice. So cherry-esque, you know. The back is so nice, dude. The back is so nice. The mirror is so interesting. It is like a portal. Yeah. Very nice. It's so clear as well. Yeah, this is actually a very good board. I'm very impressed with this. I think it does have a little bit of pinging and resonance issue with it, but it depends on you. If you don't like that pinging sound, then maybe you can add some foam, or if you want to add some polyfill, what Kerbal suggested, microgel, whatever. The ping is not for you? What? I love it so much. I love it so much. But yeah, it's again preference. Preference. Yeah, I like it. It's preference. Is it case ping? Yeah, it's case ping. This was a triumph? I would say so. Yo, 20V with the VIP. I should call you 20 VIP. 20 VIP? That's a nice name for you. Throw some tape on the inside of the case, problem solved. Is it like the Sanyo? No, Sango or Sanyo, whatever you want to call it, is very good. I think that's like the best one. That's still my favorite, like one of my favorite boards. It's so good. VIP, you are bestowed with the VIP if you chat one more time. Sango 60 is very good. It's one of my favorite 60%. It's so clean in terms of the clacks and everything. If you combine it with a SV Star, it's very good. Yeah, it's a clack monster. Would you make a note here that it's a huge success? It's a huge success. Built mine with Hyperglides first, changed to broken in creams, and added a bit of polyfill to reduce the resonance. Definite preference. Maybe Nate can put some polyfill if he wants to.